I just want to show you how I apply the scalp serum. Really focusing on those front pieces, of course. I'm just gonna go all the way back there. Really focusing on those front pieces. And then just kind of bringing that all the way down around my face. So you can use your fingers and really just like rub that in. But hopefully you've purchased the gua sha comb, because these things are so chic. I just like love, it feels so good scrubbing that into my scalp, making sure you're having like a scalp routine also along with your skin routine. And for those of you that have asked, this was tested by a dermatologist. So I have like the most sensitive skin, and it is safe for sensitive skin. The ingredients are efficacious, actually work. It's like really awesome.